Okay, we have a Haas CNC vertical machining center model VF-1D, serial number 28884. Machine was new in 2002 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas control with rigid tapping, quick code. We are running right now 2,000 RPM. This spindle goes up to 10,000 RPM. Has a 20 horsepower vector drive. That's 5,000 RPM. That's 8,000 RPM. Okay. Machine has a T-slotted table, which is 26 by 14. Right now, he's simulating a tool change. You have a 20 ATC Cat 40 spindle, 20 ATC automatic tool changer with a Cat 40 spindle. You have 20 inches of X-axis travel, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. He's running the X, nice and quiet. Telescopic weight covers on the X and Y, and also a weight cover on the Z. That's your Y travel. Great. And your Z. Again, 20, 16, and 20, and a 26 by 14 table, Cat 40, 20 ATC. Nice compact machine. Thank you for watching our video.